Most people think influence is about being loud, confident, or smooth. Psychology says it's simpler. Influence is the ability to reduce resistance, so people want to move with you instead of fighting you. And no, this isn't manipulation. Manipulation hides intent and creates a loser. Ethical influence is clean. Both sides can win, and the other person still feels respected. In this video, you'll learn the 5-step influence system that works at work, in friendships, and in relationships. And step number 3 is the one that flips stubborn people because it makes them convince themselves. Step 1, win the frame before you win the point. Most people start with pressure. You should. Just do it. You're wrong. The other person hears one word, control, that triggers reactance. Humans push back when they feel their freedom is threatened. So don't control the person, control the frame. What outcome do we want? What are we trying to protect? Time, money, quality? What would a good result look like by Friday? One line that works everywhere. Let's agree on the goal first. Step 2, lower their guard with micro-agreement. Agreement doesn't make you weak. It makes you look confident. You don't agree with their conclusion. You agree with something true. Scene. They say, this won't work. Bad move. Yes, it will. Battle starts. Better move. I get why you'd think that. Last time it was messy. Then you add a bridge. Can I show you a cleaner version? What if we adjust one thing? Now they're listening. Step 3, ask questions that make them persuade themselves. This is where influence becomes unfair. In a good way. People argue with your opinion, but they protect the idea they created. Use these questions. What would have to be true for you to say yes? Now they become a problem solver, not a critic. What's the real concern? Cost, timing, or trust? Vague resistance dies when you force clarity. If we solve that one concern, would you be open? Now you isolate the real obstacle. You're not trapping them. You're helping them think. Quick. Subscribe to Quiz Catalyst for psychology that helps you decode people. Because step number 4 is the one that makes people say yes without feeling pressured. Step 4, make your request easy to accept. Most requests fail because they're too big and too vague. Can you help me? Can you support my idea? Can we fix this? The brain hears unclear effort and rejects it. Use this formula, small plus specific plus timed. Instead of, can you review this? Say, can you review this for 5 minutes today? Instead of, can we try the new plan? Say, can we run a 1-week test and measure results? Small yes creates momentum. Big vague asks create avoidance. Step 5, offer choices, not pressure. Pressure creates stubbornness. Choices create cooperation. Don't say, this is what we're doing. Say, we have 2 options. Examples, we can do A or B. What do you prefer? Do you want the short version or the detailed version? Start today or tomorrow morning. Choices shift the brain from resisting to selecting. The influence stack, use it in 20 seconds. Frame, let's agree on the goal. Micro-agree, I get why you feel that. Question, what's the real concern? Small ask, can we test it for 1 week? Choice, A or B. That stack turns conflict into cooperation. Final truth, influence isn't dominating, it's guiding with clarity and respect. Try this today. Use only step 2 plus step 3 in one conversation. Validate one true thing, then ask one smart question. Watch the energy change. Comment influence if you want part 2 with exact scripts for bosses, partners, and friends without sounding manipulative.